mate?
Just leaving Anabay.
Sounds like it's in the vein of what happened to the cane
No,
toe.
this was a
For
joke.
this impulsive trip.
A couple of days off. Decided,
What I was going to suggest to
I know, 2 hours ago that we're going to Lightning Ridge. So we're hitting the road, heading out to the opal country.
It was not actually the first.
We were going up to Arawara and then I changed my mind. Go out here instead.
What's coming up after 3?
Yeah. We're making our first stop.
Those who've come overseas
Here.
want to be us, adopt our values,
forgot the name
become
or-
Australian citizens.
that-
But it's a fair
What's the
question
name
to
of
ask,
the
is
place?
this part of it?
Womba?
We
Womba?
have more Labour voters on the roll.
Wombe?
Wombo,
Wombo.
you're the wombat.
Wombo Reserve.
G'day, Ned.
Wombo Reserve.
Ned, tell me.
There are several people camping. And they have good setups. Tsada kay ilang mga po mga camp. Ilang mga camp. Nice. First stop to let the dog pee. Mangihipog ko. Og maginti siya og salamin. What? He used to camp here before when he was working in a nearby coal mine. So this is where he always camped.
But the Age, so the sister publication, the Sydney Morning Herald, reports there were several properties that were raided in Victoria this week. .au.
The session is over, and it's time to cool down with ice gel. Now in extra strength. It's the
English, hopefully you'll play this song.
Presidential election, which he lost to Joe Biden, Mr. Trump vowing to act on the issues raised.
Our purpose in
We're on our second stop. Marywa.
Because it's open, we might have to use the other ones
Yeah.
down there.
And then look at that thing. They have an artwork painted. I don't know if there's kung water tanks ba na sila or what, but they're painted. It's good. Pretty cool. Come here, baby. You smelling? Come on. No, tugnaw na. There we see.
School and you had a cold because you were never allowed to have a day off, but your parents would
Nice
sometimes
little
send you to school
town.
with eucalyptus lollies.
Tuesday should be sunny, 20 degrees for Tuesday.
We're on our third stop at Johnny Doo. Johnny, yeah, Johnny Doo. We'll just buy some stuff. Uy, no, it's cold. It's 8 degrees outside. Oh, where's my jacket? Third stop at Johnny Doo. So we'll just grab some stuff here at Spar. Third stop. So cute. Right here, baby. Wait, I told you I just
Gonna have
won.
another two.
Okay. Ang ilang spar din hiki, mas dako sa among spar. Hey girl. We're still in Sunnydew. Just buying some pie here at the servo. Got our pie and back on the road. somewhere at Brilong to camp for the night, and then we'll continue tomorrow morning to Lightning Ridge. Good morning. This is where we pulled up for the night. So we're still 3 to 4 hours away from our destination. So we opted to stop over here at Blerong. I think it's called Blerong. Blerong village. Let's see. Yeah. Blerong village. It's a beautiful morning, Lord.